Hi friends! Zippy is looking at water in a lake and wondering where it goes when it disappears. Whoa, where does water go? The bright sun heats up the water in lakes, rivers, and oceans. The sun is super hot. When water gets warm, it changes into water vapor and rises into the air. This is called evaporation. Hey, it's flying away. The water vapor rises high up into the sky, where the air is cooler. We're in the sky! As the water vapor cools, it turns into tiny drops of water again. Brr. These tiny drops come together to form clouds. This process is called condensation. I made a cloud. Whoa, it's getting huge. The clouds grow bigger as more and more tiny water drops join them. Uh-oh, too heavy. When clouds become too full of water, they start getting heavy. It's falling! When the clouds cannot hold the water anymore, the drops begin to fall. This falling water is called precipitation, and it can be rain. Whee! Rain time! Precipitation can also fall as snow or hail when the air is very cold. Snow and bouncy air. The water falls back down to the earth, landing on land, rivers, and lakes. Splash-tastic! Some of the water soaks into the ground and moves down through the soil. It's going underground. This water becomes groundwater and flows slowly under the earth. Secret water tunnels. Plants take in this water through their roots to help them grow. Plants are drinking. Plants also release water vapor from their leaves into the air. This is called transpiration. Leaf clouds. Some water flows over the land and collects into streams and rivers. It's racing. The water flows back into oceans, lakes, and rivers. This is called collection. We're back! The sun starts heating the water again, just like before. It's starting again. The water keeps moving in a repeating pattern, again and again. It's a loop. This never-ending movement of water is called the water cycle. The water cycle. The water cycle helps plants, animals, and people by moving water all around the earth. Water heats up, rises, cools, falls, and collects again in a simple cycle. Easy peasy. The water cycle is super simple and fun. Remember, water heats up, rises, cools, falls, and collects again. The water cycle keeps going round and round, just like a fun ride. Again. Now you know all about the water cycle. You learned it. See you next time for another fun and adventure with Zippy. Bye, stay fun show. I Clash here, Betty Frex.